Hello everyone, welcome to an unboxing episode of Art Whisperer 88. I ordered some backup Artist Loft paint from Michaels, one of my favorite vendors, and it's always exciting to open a shipment of art supplies. And the bonus is I get more of these. It's my favorite bubble wrap. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's my favorite parchment, which is like a creamy beige color. Here is unbleached titanium. It's actually very similar to parchment. In fact, I can't tell them apart, but I do use this as a background a lot, so it's good to have a good supply of them. This is deep green. This is vermilion, one of my favorite colors to use. This is cadmium yellow hue. I have here light green. Here's a phthalo green. This is light blue because I just ran out, and this is like a backup, a spare, because I do use light blue a lot. Now here is burnt sienna. Here is a deep red. A deep magenta. I think this is a double order. I have two deep magentas. And the last one is phthalo blue. Again, this is a backup because I am running low on phthalo blue. So that's my shipment from Michaels of Artist Loft. Let me just lay them out here. And these were, I believe, on sale because there are tubes that were as low as $1.87. I was very surprised. Average cost of them is around $3. And some of them, I think the highest one was this deep magenta, which is like $4 for the tube. So they're very reasonably priced, especially when they have a sale. And you know, I don't believe in using especially expensive materials when I'm doing my printmaking, because knowing that your materials are costly can put a damper on your creativity. So this is not a in any way a paid endorsement. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. and I find that the texture is very smooth and it works very well on a gel plate. So anyways, this is my unboxing of Artist Loft acrylic paints in tubes. These are 4 fluid ounces or 120 milliliters a piece, and my vendor is Michael's Art Supplies. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short unboxing video, and I hope to see you next time.